Okay, this video is a quick keto shopping haul, and it's about keto foods to buy and have at home. Now, I started my keto grocery haul. I got an avocado. I like to have fresh avocado at least 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm going to mix this and make guacamole. And I do use little packets of guacamole mix. And these are okay to use. They're not very high in calories at all. And they're very quick and easy. And you can use little packets to help you of different seasonings. I use a lot of these and they come in very, very handy. That's Tuna Creations. And it's a very, very easy snack or product to use. It's not high in calories at all or carbs. Everything that I have is low carb. Now, this is the first time I've tried these tortillas, and they are low carb. They're only 6 grams carbs, and they're whole wheat. Now, I usually get the other ones, the carb, I believe they're the low carb mission, but they didn't have those, so I'm trying those today. I'll let you know how they work out. Then I have my Swerve sugar replacement. And I use this a lot in my baking and in my mason jar ice cream. I use my Swerve. Here I have my Anthony's blanched almond flour, and I do baking, and so I use almond flour in my baking, and also I use coconut flour. Now, this is coconut water, and I had bought some ginger because I was going to make some coconut water, add some ginger and some turmeric to it, and lemon. But I went to the store and I saw this, so I bought it, and it seems to help my husband with his IBS. So I bought several cans of this, and he's been drinking it, and I've tried it, and I like it also. So it's something very, very good to have. Here's my apple cider vinegar. I like the Bragg's Organic, and I get it with the mother. So there's my apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is very good for helping with inflammation. So I take this in the morning, about a tablespoonful with some lemon juice and a little bit of stevia. Here's my pork rinds. I do a lot of cooking with pork rinds. I use them for breadcrumbs mainly and for snacks. My monk fruit sweetener. This is another sweetener that I use. And I do baking with it also and use it in my different recipes. It's very good also. I like the monk fruit. Also, I take shortcuts. And this, I use the Vlasic dill pickle relish. And I use this when I'm making my tuna salad and chicken salad. It's very easy and very, very keto friendly. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of carbs or anything in it. Yellow mustard. And I like mustard, and 0 carbs in mustard. Now, this was some smoked chili sea salt that I saw, and I use salt a lot, so I'm going to try this. I like to try the different sodiums, pink Himalayan salt, and I've seen some black Himalayan salt. So here's my sugar-free strawberry jello. And I just started using this like last week, and I really enjoyed having that. So I've got it again this week. And here's some Keto Hydrate. And this is a keto drink that hydrates you and helps you with your electrolytes. I haven't tried it yet, but I do have it. I got that. And then also I have the matcha plus vanilla. This is like a tea, herbal tea. And it's very, very good also. And both of these drinks only have one carb in them. Okay, and then I got this dip. This dressing. But I did see that it does have canola oil in it, and it does have soybean oil in it. And looks like a little bit of vegetable oil. So I probably will use it because it only has 2 grams of carbs in it. And I believe one of them is fiber. So I will use it because I don't believe that's enough to kick me out of ketosis. Now, I've gotten used to eating Baker's chocolate, the 100% unsweetened type. I never thought I would be eating that. I tried it the first time and I did not like it, but now I can stand it and I like having it as a treat. Again, this is the Baker's chocolate, the unsweetened chocolate, 100% cocoa. I wanted to try some almond butter, so I grabbed some almond butter. I did not look at it or read the labels once I've got it home. I don't know if I'm going to be using it. I'll probably give it to someone else to use because it's got palm oil and some things in it like that. Here's some sea salt, and I'm going to use this in my cooking and also on my foods. I'm using spray for the pan, and this has 0 calories. I have been using like butter and oils to cook, but these calories will sneak up on you, so now I'm going back to my spray. And this is Hershey's Cocoa. I use this. It doesn't have a lot of calories in it, and it works well for me. And then this was another one that I saw, so I got this today, cocoa powder. And as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of carbs either. Doesn't have any carbs because the 2 grams that are in there are fiber. Now, this is a new MCT oil that I'm trying. I found out that the other MCT oil that I had a lot of palm oil in it. So this one is 100% MCT oils, and it's very good. They helped me at the store pick it out, and they kind of the ones told me that the one I was using wasn't a good grade. Now, this isn't keto, but I wanted to try this. It's a Ray's secret sauce. It's not a lot of carbs at all. I didn't think it would knock me out. It says 3 grams, but then it's only 2 grams in there that are sugar, and I won't be using that much of it. So that's something that I just wanted to add in and try. You can use it on burgers or just a different type of seasoning. Also, I have my unsweetened toasted coconut flakes, and I use this. I wanted to make some Almond Joy fat bombs. So whenever I do make some fat bombs, I will use that when I do the Almond Joy fat bombs, and then use it for some other things also. Now, I like to, I've gotten where I've started drinking tea, and so I've just started buying different teas, peppermint tea, strawberry tea, and I drink tea at different times of the day, sleepy time tea, trying to drink that before I go to bed. Tea is very, very good to drink, and it's very good to drink warm or sip hot drinks. So I try to do that on the ketogenic diet. So here's everything that I got in my grocery haul today. It was a quick grocery haul, but these are some of the foods that you can keep at home. If this video has helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Keto Granny saying